took that shade off for more light in here. One of the blades is pretty warped, actually two of them, so it does wobble and sway a little bit. And I'm not going to risk bending them back into alignment because I don't want to risk breaking it. Because if we break it, we got to pay for a replacement, and I don't want to do that. Unlike the one in that bedroom, this one is working. Well, the other one's working, but this one, the chain was cut on high, so that's good. Whereas the other one was cut on, I think, low. Maybe medium. I have to check the speed on the one in the master bedroom. That's off. Whoops. There we go. You can hear it making a little bit of noise.